everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you my favorite electrolytes. LMNT electrolytes are my favorite. I love how these are actually healthy electrolytes and it's a great alternative to sugary sports drink. You can bring them to the gym, pour them inside your water, and that is it. You enjoy them knowing that you are getting all the minerals your body needs without all that sugar. Every time I work out, I break a good sweat and water will not do it. I definitely need those electrolytes that also help me with my energy level, endurance, and my quick recovery. I chose these because also the flavor is delicious. Watermelon is my favorite. It has 0 sugar. It's sweetened with stevia. I love that the pack is this small. It's super easy for you to put in your pocket or for you to put in your purse, carry them around. And I also appreciate that LMNT has a bunch of delicious flavors that I know you're going to love, but that's just my point of view.